Hi everyone, I am Jiten Singh and today we are going to study the chapter The Necklace, and we have taken this chapter from your supplementary book Footprints, 7th chapter, and the chapter has been written by Guy de Maupassant. And there are three characters in this story. The main protagonist of this story is Matilda, and the second was her husband Mr. Loisel, and third her friend Mrs. Forestier. So let's begin with that chapter. Matilda was, as there is written that a daydreamer Matilda. Matilda belongs to very poor family, and she always wished to live a very luxurious life. But she was a very poor. She always wished that to live in. She need that fancy clothes and fancy luxuries, but she did not satisfy with her condition. And after that, she married Mr. Loisel, and he was a clerk in a board education. And after that, one day, what happened? That Mr. Loisel, he got an invitation from the minister, and the invitation was sent to very few persons, and Mr. Loisel was one of them. And what he thought that Matilda become very happy to see that invitation card, but it was not happened the same. And Matilda refused to go there because she did not have fancy clothes and the fancy jewelries, so she denied. And after that, somehow Mr. Loisel managed, means he tried her best to just soothe herself, but after that he just said to that Matilda that he managed somehow to collect 400 francs for her fancy dress. As soon as he just brought the fancy dress for Matilda, she again become unhappy because she had not, means she did not have that fancy jewelries. So what he said that just you use, in place of that jewelries, you use just natural flower. But she refused. And after that, Mr. Loisel said that you just borrowed some jewelries, a necklace, and the necklace was from diamond, from her best friend Mrs. Forestier. And she went there and just she told everything before about her distress, and after that she gave her a necklace diamond, and she became very happy. The fourth, Matilda's happiness at the party. She became very happy, and she was looking very beautiful, and all were looking at the Matilda, and Matilda danced a lot there. And after, as soon as the party just finished, Matilda's husband, he just went to his house with a carriage, and as soon as Matilda wanted to see herself before that, means in front of that mirror, and as soon as she just remove her shawl means wrap. The wrap was made of that of fur. As soon as she removed the wrap from her neck, what he saw that the diamond was not there. The necklace was not there. The necklace was lost. And she just cried a lot for that. And as soon as Mr. Loisel came there, and after that, he just searched a lot. He went there where there was a carriage also there. He went to police office, and he just published the advertisement in the paper, but there it was all in vain. There is no use of that. At the last, they did not get that diamond. The sixth, decision of purchasing a new necklace. What they decided that after 1 week, they decided that they just purchased the same type of necklace in the shop. There was a jewelry shop, and they find that the same type of necklace there, but the price of that necklace was 40,000. But the shopkeeper, he just he just decided that he will give that in a 36,000 franc. But there was one problem, that Mr. Loisel had only 18,000 franc that time, and he got that 80,000 franc from his father, from his ancestral property. He just sold that properties, and after that he borrowed. He borrowed some money from the lenders, and he borrowed the money from the high level of interest, and he would promise that he will return the borrowed money in time. And after that he went the shop and he purchased the diamond necklace, and after that he means not Mr. Loisel, Matilda handed over the diamond necklace to her friend Mrs. Forestier. And after that the hard life of Matilda and Mr. Loisel began, because they had to work hard. Matilda, she started to work hard, she started to work to house to earn money, and after that Mr. Loisel, he started to work extra time, means overtime, you can say that, overtime, and he started to extra typing started to earn money, to somehow to just pay the money to the lenders. And after that it took 10 years to just pay all the money. And after that the condition of the Matilda, she became old, all the wrinkles was on her face and on her hand. And after that one day Matilda got the truth. When Matilda was passing the garden where the Mrs. Forestier was there, Matilda recognized Mrs. Forestier, but Mrs. Forestier was unable to recognize Matilda because she became old. So that's why after that, as soon as Mrs. Forestier recognized Matilda, and after that Matilda narrated the whole story of that the diamond necklace. She also said that she had to work hard to recover the money. And after that, in the end of the chapter, Mrs. Forestier said, "Oh my dear Matilda, the necklace was only 500 francs." And this is the end of the chapter. In this chapter, what we learn, what is the great message of that chapter, is that we should first learn what is our capacity. We should satisfy in our whatever we earn. We should not dream a lot, because she suffered a lot. And after that, if we are in a trouble, so we should discuss something to the others. And if Matilda discussed all the things to Mrs. Forestier, so she did not have to work hard a lot. So this is the message of this chapter, the necklace. And have a nice day, and we will meet in that next video from the hack driver. Goodbye.